Hello, good morning. In this particular module today, 5, we are going to discuss about business plan is presenting method. How exactly we are going to present. See, we may be having knowledge. We may be having a knowledge of domain. We may be knowledge of, we'll be having a skill of, okay, we are having a skill of the how to do the job, how to make the business plan, and as per the business how to do the business. But presenting is a skill which is not there with everyone. The people who are good in presenting, they can really produce, they can compile the things properly. If we go in this, we have to we have to talk about why do some business fail also, we'll be talking about. See, presenting a business plan, if I look at it, it is similar as the students, he is not able to write into the answer sheet of the exam, university exam, whereas he is very good in knowledge wise, he is having, knowledge as well as, how exactly the subject is, deep knowledge of the subject, but he is not good in presenting what to be done while we are presenting the paper. Some people are having a small knowledge of the subject, but they can present it very well and score well. But some people having very massive knowledge, but even then they are not getting good marks. It all depends how you are presenting, how you are putting onto the paper. It all depends the things, what are the things you underline, you are making a space, you are having a proper space between lines, indexing of the proper, all those things, this should be actually make the people to presenting skill. The business plan should be well written in crisps and to the point by point, that is known as point language, and also should not contain irrelevant information. Document should be very attractive. Anything from people say, oh, whoa, wow, it is wonderful document, it's wonderful, yes, definitely this plan is good, attractive, impressive, and easy to read and understand. Everyone, whomever read. Writing style should be clear, font should be selected very good, and the should be printed on plain bond sheet, A4 size. Also will be having a clear heading also. Each sections should start with language. Each section of the things should start in new language, whereas information such as documents title, date, page number, everything to be written clearly, to be mentioned. And file name should be included either in the header and the footer. Dividers can be used to make the contents of the documents more accessible. That is also important. So, as a whole, the person who is going to see the report or business plan of the business, he will be very happy and very easy to understand him. He will understand everything of the business plan. Presenting a business plan, continue. It should be written to management person. It should be two people, one consultant, one entrepreneur, or maybe founder, or maybe anybody who is family business head. Anything can be service, professional consultant also. You can call expert also who is expert in business area. Second, assumption made presenting the business plan should be realistic. Anything what you are writing in the business plan, it should be a realistic. That margin should not, you write that it is a very good margin. No, you have to produce the realistic fact, how exactly you are going to get the business plan and finance plan, other things, so that it should be understood. Yes, whomever in this particular business are starting, that should be a realistic. The exercise summary is known as elevator pitch. Should be concise, presentation to major point of the business plan to engage reader, excite them about the potential area, but hide the secrecy of the formulas and important point. Yes, it is also, it will be wonderful things. The people who are presenting and he is giving realistic, okay, and he is giving something which, something highlight, that is known as elevator pitch, where the person see that how exactly it will be elevator pitch we can describe below as. Some elevator pitch should be nothing but just to attack the mindset of the people, okay, attracting their eyes, attracting their attention. Oh, very good, like rainwater harvesting system. Catch it before it slips. Yes, if rain is there, you have to make the pit, and before rain stop water, okay, rainwater is not coming to this particular pit, you have to produce, okay, such we have to store water after the rain. Okay, it should not happen. It should not happen. We should store this after the rain. We should store. We have to make the provision before it rain. Garbage to garden, garbage to power. Yes, it is a wonderful thing we have to do. Why do some business plan fails? The reason is people they are having business. Everybody wants to become entrepreneurs. Everybody wants to earn money. Everybody wants to become big men. Everybody wants to become entrepreneur. But do feel they have such of factors, and they have really knowledge of the that particular areas of the business plan, or they are having knowledge of the subject. Okay, they are having background of the particular areas of operation altogether. So I am listing out 5 points. One is failure to address the customer problem and needs. Like I tell you, the people who always talk about objective oriented, always whenever he talk, a businessman should be objective towards the customer, consumers. A teacher should be objective ideas to help the students always in mind. So these are the things common. We have to think about how exactly the pin of the customer are there, whether you are really solving or not. That should be there in the mind of the entrepreneur and businessman. Entrepreneur should mention the customer pain points in the business plan, direct experience letter from the customer, market, etc. It will be nice if you are doing some business, okay, everything, then finally you have to make the pain of the customer. Okay, unrealistic goals set by the promoters. People are making unrealistic forecasting, margin, everything, it will give return. We have to be realistic of our business, whether it is having really good market, target customer, end user, consumers, what is the how exactly competitors, how exactly return in terms of finance, how exactly sold out, where to be sold out, okay, who will be there, whether mass of raw material available or not in India, if it is not, whether it will be getting from the countries. So those are the things, like I think there are many things, political background and other things we have to think about, and those goals should be always realistic. Lack of commitment to the business of the promoters. I tell you, the people, they say, what it is being there, sir, I am unlucky. People, they say, they are not fortunate. I tell you, that is, whenever they are not having the commitment towards their job, towards their working. It should not happen. You are becoming a promoters of the business. You started the company or doing many other business, and that this particular business you are not concentrating at all, and that the reason, okay, the commitment is not there, it will go as well. Casual approach always bring to the people the failure. Has to be commitment, have to be very serious thinking, and going for the business, it is required always proactive. They have to be proactive, active for the running the business. Lack of experience of the promoters, of course. This is very important. Experience in running the business, experience in running administration, experience in doing from where the license knowledge, experience of as a how exactly the production everything, at least motor skill, okay, machine skill, everything along with the conceptual skill, people should have, okay, the experience. Okay, if he is not having the experience, definitely that particular business is going to have the problems. Lack of professionalism. Yes, people are not really, I tell you, professional. They are very sentimental, they are personal approach. We have to work for the organizations. That is the first thing it has been told. People work for the, generally they work for how exactly his boss and their attitude. I tell you, the employees, if okay, may not be go against the anybody, but he should always think about where what is the benefit of the organization, institution or business. Definitely, okay, it will be having a professionalism. It should not be having an approach of personal. It should have professional ethics. It should be there. The people should not have business ethics along with the professional ethics. Then definitely the people who are working there, it may happen once upon time, this is going to be a cause of the business plan failure. That's all. Thank you very much. Today we will